Alright, what's going on YouTube? Focus Tanz here. Today I'm actually in the Focus ST, giving it a good old test drive and whatnot. Right now I'm in third gear, doing about 30 miles an hour on one of the back roads, or not a back road, but like just one of the service roads here in my hometown, or secondary hometown. Just taking it through the paces, giving it its probably its first drive in about 2 years. I found out that if you push it all the way into neutral, the car won't go dead. And a lot of problems I was having when learning to drive the car was I was trying to push it into first gear and hit the brakes and it would kill the car. Another problem I was having was actually taking off. You gotta learn to ease off the clutch, let the clutch grab to give it some gas like that. I could be a little better than I am there, but even there a little bit, give it a little bit more gas, get the clutch a little bit more, ease off the clutch a little bit more, like that, and I'm rolling. It's pretty easy, actually, I think, to drive manual. It's pretty easy and a lot more fun than driving automatic. I think I'm gonna love driving this car a lot more. I can't wait to get it actually up and running and looking like my current Focus is at the house right now. I'm still gonna drive my automatic. Still driving automatic, but on the weekends I will be pulling out this nice little car here to do some, you know, some street rolling kind of things, flexing on people with the ST of the original model. Anyway, that's just a little short video. Oh, I kid you not, I'm touching my face bad. I have never driven manual before. This is my first time ever driving a manual car ever in my entire life. And it actually is not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Now, I did do a lot of YouTube research now. I looked at, I think it was a really good example I will link in the description from cars.com. That guy really explained very well. And then I probably looked at like 6 different channels. But cars.com definitely was, I think, my favorite because he really broke it down, and he talked about an Uncle Tony. It's pretty funny, but definitely check that out, and like I said, I'll leave that down in the description for you. Anyway, hope you liked that a little bit. See you next time.